This is like the first time I've ever seen the stand your ground law used correctly.
An argument between two drivers, both armed with guns, ends with a crashed truck, one person dead, and no criminal charges for the shooter.
Too many times people use Florida self-defense laws, or what some people call the stand your ground law, as like a license to kill. And it's not that. And it gets people into a lot of trouble. But what it does do is it actually says that if you are lawfully justified in your use of deadly force, then you're immune from prosecution.
Criminal defense attorney Michael Piniella, who is not associated with this case, says the Seminole County Sheriff's Office is following the law appropriately because detectives say the person who was killed pulled out their gun first, pointed it at the other driver, who drew their own gun and fired shots, killing the other driver.
I don't like using the term stand your ground because too often people justify that or misunderstand what that law means to think that you can just use deadly force whenever you want. That is not the case. And that wasn't the case here, according to law enforcement.
The driver who was killed reportedly drove through the front yard of a home in the Mandarin Estates subdivision in Longwood before crashing through a fence around 1 o'clock Wednesday morning.
I thought I heard bam, bam, bam on the front door. And I woke my husband up. I said, somebody's at our front door. We didn't realize it until this morning. Apparently what we heard was gunshots.
Detectives say the shooter is the one who called 911, stayed on the scene, and after answering questions, was free to go.